How to win an argument. This is a technique I learned years ago, and I still use it to this day because it works. When in a debate, one of the biggest mistakes people make is only focusing on proving others wrong by systematically rejecting their claims. I find it useful to never refute something I know to be true. In fact, I always advise that people take the time to acknowledge when someone raises a valid point before issuing any counter-argument in a debate. This is an incredible way to earn credibility in any conversation. Instead of trying to prove people wrong, simply try to make them see things from your perspective. Yes, perspective is key to winning an argument, especially when you can support your claims with factual evidence. So, next time you find yourself in a debate, make sure of the following. Number 1, do your research. Make sure you speak on a subject you thoroughly understand. Number 2, listen to the other person. When you listen to people, they automatically feel validated and you get a chance to identify pitfalls in their argument. Number 3, find common ground and explicitly highlight shared interests and opinions to establish credibility. Number 4, use your common ground as a baseline to frame your own argument and clearly state your point of view in a relatable manner. Number 5, ask questions that are designed to make the other person become conflicted in their own argument. When you master those 5 important skills, no one can challenge you in a debate.